What up? Hey, where are you at, Steven?
Where are we going?
Maryland.
HDAY, baby. We're finally making it. The video's a little dark. Let me hold it like this. There you go. We gotta get E85. And then we will see what we can do. Huh? On the what? Yeah, I got it on me. All right, we're gonna make a video. Let's see. Get some E85. We out here. We'll see what we can do this fall. First time racing at the track in like 10 years. She's dirty, but she's gonna make me proud. I can't, yeah, I know.
God damn.
I can't wait. I'm so excited. I can't express it. Got my slicks ready. We're gonna mount the wing. Oh, there it is. We're gonna mount the wing tonight, and fix the gauge so it reads. Go do an oil change the spark plugs, and just go over everything, charge up all the batteries, and then get some rest, and go see what we can do tomorrow. That's all there is to it. But what I am going to do, guys, is I'm going to try to film the best I can doing the work to the car.
It is dark.
Which is going to be also some film from the other day of doing the fenders. Make that a video, and then I'll probably do a video for tomorrow, and then maybe a video for Sunday. I'm not 100% sure, but stay tuned.
What?
Messy hair. Teams out here. Who are we?
BabyFace mitts.
You can't see everybody, but we're sitting here trying to get the car set up. We're gutting the car right now. We're getting it prepped for, what is that? No, what is it? The to get it tech, so we got to put the battery tie down. We're gonna do a quick oil change on the car real quick. Leave the light just like that, so you can see. Nah, the other way. Yeah. And then, oh yeah, we're gonna fix the boost gauge and go from there. We'll see what we can do. Yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, get the battery tied down. The boost gauge isn't reading. I started messing with that. I realized that the got a pinched line. And this fool just got done with goddamn fucking horrible car accident.
You send it. Full send.
Fucker. You gonna call me next time you get a little tired?
Yes, sir. Call someone.
Don't hit no more trees.
Fuck that.
What time is it?
It's probably like 12.
Hey, this is real dedication, man.
It's 12:50.
Real dedication. Oh man, we got some numbers up there now. Hey, don't text them numbers, guys.
There ain't nobody but Washington D.C. hospital calling.
Trying to get their money already. Hey, ain't even let you be home a week. Hey man, this team never sleeps. We always out here.
Oh no, I sleep during the week.
Yeah, we're sleep when you're dead.
I was about to say the same fucking thing. I sleep when I'm fucking dead.
All right, Aaron, keep the light on. I'm gonna show these guys some stuff.
Hey, don't put my car in that junk.
Oh, there it is.
And my busted piece of shit.
There it is.
Both of them.
Oh, you guys, I told y'all. Here we are. Drag wing. Not 100% sure if it's going to be on for HDAY, but I got it. Take a walk down here, guys. Got some slicks. 23s, 13 by 8. Start taking some of the interior and extra junk out of the car. Yeah. Okay. They use the PC. Hey, what's your predictions?
It's gonna be a hell of a time.
You brought your racing shoes?
Yeah, I'm hopping in the driver's seat today.
Get a picture of them underneath. Look all up underneath there.
You can't get underneath
What
it.
about 2 inches over?
I almost brought the speakers.
I just put one because he's gonna rip these fenders off every time. So should I even bolt this one down? As long as it's not now. Because this one goes in there. If we're gonna end up having to take it off anyway. Yeah, we're going to change swap the fenders back out.
Yeah, I mean, whatever.
Trying to finish setting the car up. Got the slicks on. Yeah, you can drop it.
Drop it, put it in the back. Oh, let me do that.
Custom fix.
You just doing one back here?
See how much more room I got now, Leo?
All right, get ready for the next pair here. Your bracket classes, you guys are going to 5 and 6. Keep bringing them on down. As you saw, he pulled right in front of our spotter right there. Spotter was right there. Hey, man, you all right? All right, we'll get you pushed off. We'll get you going here in just a moment. So Hernandez is going to be getting pulled off and going back live here in just a few moments. As once again, I need all motor, 4-piston racing, all motor to lanes 5 and 6. 4-piston racing, all motor to lanes 5 and 6.
You next year?
4-piston racing, all motor, lanes 5 and 6. If you don't understand, or you're racing, or you have a car show ticket and you're over 18 years of age, legal U.S. racing with a valid driver's license.
That's the only thing I was saying.
Win these beautiful 20 sides that almost look like a different club project. Yeah. And you know what? Know that I'm somebody, but I tell you what, it was my own personal car, drove it for 25,000 miles. Really, engine good. You can have it tomorrow, so they can have it your personal car, literally with a right, with a ton of upgrades. And people know I like Foxy and that I love Honda. So this is definitely a fun Honda to daily drive. It's definitely well put together. I love it. Still on the warranty, 25,000 miles. You got about 9,000 more. No.
That's the powder.
10,000.
It's the powder inside.
I definitely didn't touch the inside of the motor, anything that was down flat exhaust and stuff like that, so that's okay. And I promise you're gonna have a lot of fun. So make
2025.
37 seconds. Miles was that, and the money where the boots was at. So it's that.
You see his torch way better than last time.
Yeah. Hey, you ready for day 2? You ready for day 2?
Sure.
Day 2 it is.
Top of the racetrack, right there, he's going to finish off the 8 here. 12.6, but oh, 800, so we need to race control.
How we do, bud?
Awesome.
Yes, sir.
So you got the best time that
got
you
the
wanted
wing
down
put
there.
on. Thank you to this guy. Makes awesome videos. YouTuber. Really great friend. I did a personal best. 12.0 at 115 mile an hour. 1.7, 60 foot on that one. My best 60 foot was 1.6. Got knocked out first eliminations. Can't complain. Haven't come out in like 10 plus years, maybe 12 years, and came out and did what I had to do. Pieced this car together over the years. Had some help from Faster Automotive, help from the rest of the team, some really great supporters helped me line me up. I had
My books you won
oh yeah,
because you got the best time.
yep, that's the truth. I really can't complain. Had a great time. Didn't break. Drove it on the trailer. I'm going to show you it coming off. Early in the video, you're going to see this comes off of our EG. We trimmed them to make them work. It worked out perfect. I really can't say too much other than that. I know some other friends hit personal bests. A lot of people broke, but still was able to drive home and whatnot. So I can't complain. I want to thank everybody for supporting me and keeping me going and pushing me to do better every day. So until then, stay tuned.